Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to open LOGCAT in Android Studio. Now, pretty simply, look at the bottom horizontal tool window bar on Android Studio right here on the bottom left, and find LOGCAT. Basically is like icon of the cat head. If you click on it, you will basically run this LOGCAT. Now, if you can also open with keyboard shortcut, which is Alt plus number 6. On Mac is CMD plus 6. Now, if the LOGCAT tab is completely missing from your screen layouts, you can click the view in the top menu bar. So we go to the top menu bar, then under the view, and hover your mouse over the tool windows and select from here LOGCAT, which is right over here, and just like that you will open this function. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the